Hello, this is my honest review of the Sephora Favorites Give Me Some Summer Lip Sampler. Bear with me here. Hello, I am here today to review the Sephora Favorites Give Me Some Summer Lip Sample Collection. So this kit comes with 6 lip colors. This is Skin Deep Enamored by Marc Jacobs. This is the Plumpline Lip Liner Crayon Hush Hush by Buxom and Hi-Fi Shine by Urban Decay. This is the full size. All the other ones are minis. There is also Starwoman, NARS, and last but not least, Almond. And I think this is Bite Beauty. Sehr interessant. All right, so I'm gonna start with a swatch for y'all so you can see how beautiful these are. So I already opened this before and I did a swatch right away and I kind of forgot about it and I ended up doing something else. And so I went back later with my makeup remover and I was like, God, I need to take this off. And some of them were really difficult to take off. And that really surprised me because some lipsticks come off so easily, but these are super non-transferable. Except obviously the glosses. But the matte, oh my God, the NARS one, I'll show you. It did not come off for ever. All right, so this is the NARS Starwoman. Beautiful. Ignore these marks on my wrist because my watch, it was too tight. Okay, NARS. Woo. Beautiful. And then we're gonna go to this one. The Kat Von D Dub. Look at this, ready? Oh my God, I love it. Okay, this one is hot as bleep. Yes, baby. All right. So I'd really like to see what this one looks like with my complexion because I saw it on a girl that's a little darker than me and it looked phenomenal, but I'm not sure. All right, so this is the Marc Jacobs Skin Deep Enamored, which I actually put on top of a lot of my lipsticks when I'm going to work. I work with kids and it's like a perfect nude gloss. Super duper shiny. I don't know if you can, there you go, shine, baby. All right, this is the Buxom Plump Pencil Matte Gorge. Jeez. Yes, baby. Okay, so that's 4. I'm missing this one. This is the full-size Urban Decay Gloss. This one is stupid shiny. This one also definitely smells like peppermint. So I know with lip glosses that have peppermint scent, it's supposed to freshen your breath. So that's pretty cool. This one is super glittery. Can you see? It's really, really glittery. And pink, a lightish, well, a light pink. And here's the Bite Beauty in So that one's really pretty. These are all of them. They're so pretty. I love them. Okay, so I'm gonna wash these off my arm and we will continue. All right, so like I said before, hard to get off, but that's okay because you don't want your lipstick to be coming off in the middle of dinner or when you go out at night, for a night out or something, right? So the NARS and the Kat Von D and the Bite Beauty and the Buxom. So this is with a lot of wipes of my makeup remover wipe. And as you can see, it still hasn't come off. And it's still not coming off. I'm scrubbing. All right. But that's cool. I mean, I hate more than anything when you're at the gym or something and you need to take your lipstick off and it will not come off. But then there's like definitely a time and place where you don't want your lipstick to ever come off. All right, so we are going to begin with my favorite gloss, which is the Marc Jacobs. So I actually bought this this sample kit for Mother's Day for someone, and when I saw the colors I was like, oh my god, I need it. I fell in love. So I bought it, and so now I'm sharing it with you. All right, I'm starting with the Marc Jacobs. Ooh, super smooth. Beautiful. Yes, please. Gracias. All right, so it's really smooth. Like, not sticky or tacky like some lip glosses are, because nobody wants like stringy stickiness all up in here. So it's really smooth. Marc Jacobs delivered. All right, so after this one, I give this one like a 9. I think it'd be a 10 if it was like maybe a little more opaque. It's fairly transparent on my skin, but maybe I'm just like imagining that because it's pretty close to my skin color. We'll see. All right, Buxom pencil. I love this one. I've used it already a lot. I love matte. Oh my god, beautiful. It also comes with a little brush for like blending. And blurring your edges. So I love this one. With this, I put the Marc Jacobs over it. Fancy. And it looks like this. I think that kind of gives it the depth that I wanted, or the deepness in color. Beautiful. I'd give that one maybe a 7. Not a huge fan of the feeling of it. I guess technically it's a lip liner, but I just use it as a crayon. I love Buxom though. They have some of the best mascara. All right, moving on. So now we're getting into this Urban Decay gloss. So it really smells a lot like this minty shine from Victoria's Secret. I think they probably smell like the same. Oh, they do. Oh, that one is like old. Okay, so this one smells a little better. It definitely has that really pepperminty smell. It's called Hi-Fi Shine. So let's see how hi-fi it is. Kind of holographic. It's off serious Barbie vibes. So I'm a huge fan of clear gloss. Huge fan of clear gloss. This is kind of like clear gloss. Okay. So I'm not a huge fan of the smell. I get that it's supposed to like, I don't know, be good smelling, but to me it's not very good smelling because I don't love peppermint. I'm not a huge fan of scented lip gloss. That's just me. All right. Now, I'm gonna do these kind of quickly so I can wipe them off and they'll actually come off. All right, this is the Bite Almond. Ooh. Okay, that went on super smooth. I love it. This is gorgeous. So I need to clean up my edges, but this color, and it's super smooth. I want to say it's supposed to be matte-ish. Okay, so that was great. I have to take it off immediately. Alright. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna save my most daring for last. I'm saving that for last. So let's get into this NARS business. Yes, baby. All right. First thing I noticed. So the applicator is very pointy and pretty hard. It does look like it's saturated. I just don't know what to think about it. It's kind of like you're gonna draw it right on your lips instead of like nicely glide, but we'll see. Ooh. Oh my god. Okay, so I know I talked some smack about the applicator. It is like that for a reason, 100%. So the point is really good for going around the corners of your mouth. Oh my god, this is precision, baby. Look at this. Oh my god, this is my new favorite. Okay, gorgeous. I can't contain myself. I give this a lot of stars. I give it a lot of stars, okay? Okay, I give it a lot. I don't know how many, but I know it's gonna be a lot. Killing it. I love this. Yes. Last but not least, the Kat Von D K-Dub. All right. So this is either gonna be amazing or awful. Let's see which one it is. So very similar applicator to the NARS one. It does have the flat edge, which I like for spreading the product. Oh my gosh. Whew. Obviously, I wouldn't wear this color with this eyeshadow. There's one. Bottoms down. Interesting. Okay. I don't know if I love it. Okay, maybe I love it. I think maybe if I went tanning 2 or 3 times, it would be like proper. It's beautiful though. I love this color. Again, I am scrubbing. So after all that, I am going to put on some nice Blistex because this is what my lips rely on. Oh, yes. Because you should always moisturize your lips, especially if you wear lipstick all the time. I don't wear lipstick that much, but that's why I thought these minis were so perfect, because I really don't wear lipstick all that often. So I thought that with the minis, you know, I can't really go wrong. I have so many lipsticks that I just don't touch. Like, I organized all of my makeup last night and I have so much. My eyes are red. My eyes are super red. I don't like this. I'm gonna do it a